Hello all. In this video, we are going to discuss the remaining things of the PI plannings. Okay, let's go ahead and learn more. The topic is a demo the full system increment every 2 weeks. How we are going to integrate support, okay, with the system teams. Features are functionally complete or the toggle so as not to disrupt demonstrable functionality. New features work together and with existing functionality happens after the iteration review may be by much as one iterative maximum. Demo from a staging environment with which resembles production as much as possible. Okay, demo is always with the staging environment. Means what? It's a pre-production. It's a replica of the production. Correct. So we have to always give the demos to the stakeholders and other team members with the pre-production environment. Okay, let's go ahead to the next step. Innovation and the PI planning iteration. Provide the sufficient capacity margin to enable cadence. Facilitate reliability, PI readiness planning and the innovation. Innovation means opportunity for the innovation hackathons and the infrastructure improvements will be conducted. Then the planning provides for the cadence based planning. Estimating guard band for the cadence based delivery. Okay, these are some the things related to PI planning iterations. Okay, let's go ahead and see the next things are the example of the PI planning. A PI iteration calendar you can see Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Okay, buffer of work, then the final verification, innovation, then the PI planning readiness. Here you can see the calendar. It's a PI planning. It's a innovation continuation continue education, adaptation, and the last one is the optional time for the distributed planning. This is all about the calendar we can see. Okay, just go through once. Okay, don't go it deeply because it's subject matter expertise after the experience. Okay, yeah. So without IP iteration, if we are not doing PI planning or something and IP iterations, okay, then what happened to with us? Lack of delivery capacity, buffer impacts predictability, trouble ahead, of course, right? Little innovation and the trinity of the urgency. Then the technical depths also grows uncontrollable. People burn out, of course. They won't re- uh, recognize right what they should do or not. Okay, so no time for teams to plan, demo, or improve together. Okay, so this is trouble, almost trouble. So to avoid this situation, we have to do the PI planning, right? Yeah, just think about this issues, right? So improving result with the inspect and adapt event. Three parts of the inspect and adapt. What are the three parts? That is PI system demo, then the quantitative and qualitative measurement, then the problem solving workshops. This is all about the time box events, 3 to 4 hours per PI. Okay, then the attendance should be teams and the stakeholders. Of course, stakeholders, why stakeholder? Because they should know the transparency of the agile methodology, right? Yeah, product. So, what is PI system demo? At the end of the PI, that is PI planning, PI iterations. Okay, the team demonstrate the current state of the solutions to the appropriate stakeholders. That is always we do with the pre-production environment. Okay, the replica of the production. So often led by the product management, POs, and the system team, attendees by the business owners, art stakeholders, product management, RT, Scrum Master, coaches, and teams. Right? Yeah. This is the PI system demo. Art performance reporting, what exactly it is? On the left hand side, I have given the brief introduction of the art performance reporting that is prior to or as a part of the PI system demo. Teams review the business's value achieved for the each of their PI objective. Team meets with their business and owners of the self assess the business value they achieved for the each objective. Each team's plan versus actual business value is then rolled up to the art predictability measurement. Okay, in the right hand side, you can see a business value, that is plan and actual, and you can see the objectives for a PI team, that is structure, location, validation, location. I have given the plan and actual numbers, and I have given the example of the uncommitted objectives as well. Okay, the numbers, then the total will be there shown, and the achievement should be 90%. Okay, yeah. So uncommitted objectives you can see with the objective, that is plan, and actual will be what exactly it is, 45. Okay, so it's a 90% match, you can see in the right hand side. Okay, let's go ahead and see the next thing, that is measure the R predictability. The report compares actual business value achieved against the planned business value, right? You can see in the chart, in the diagram. The target is the effective process control range, predictability sufficient to run the business, handles the common variations, then the special causes may still causes excess variations. Okay, team A and team B, I have written everything, that is PI 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that is 5 iterations we have taken. Okay, and the it's agile train also you can see in the diagram. Okay, this is the problem solving workshop. In the workshop, what we have discussed, agree on the problem to solve. Okay, the problem. Then they apply the root cause analysis and find whys, why we need to do these things. Okay, then identify the biggest root cause using the Pareto analysis. You can see in the diagram. Then the identify improvement in the backlog items, brainstorm solutions, and they restate the new problem for the biggest root cause. Okay, you can do all these things in the problem solving workshop. Okay, this is all about the PI planning things. Okay, we have discussed each and every topics of the PI planning. Okay, just go through these parts of the videos again and again. Go through the safe framework videos as well, and you will get the ideas what exactly happening. Okay, in the agile, right? In under safe model. Okay, just be with me. If any questions or any clarity require on the topics, just comment me on below so that I can go ahead with this and so resolve the issues. Okay, problems, doubts. Okay, yeah. Thank you so much.